feel like nobody knows I'm a YouTuber here. I'm gonna go right up to the operations agent and just do my intro now. Ooh, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another episode of Molives here, Molives TV. Another day, another adventure.
Really?
Oh, Miles, you're one big dope, buddy. Yeah, guys, welcome back to the channel. We're out here. If you're not part of the family, subscribe. Smash a like on this video. Let's try and get 7 likes on this video. If we get 7 likes on this video, I'll make another video in a few days. So, 3 flights today. We're starting in Vegas right now. Obviously, that's where I'm based. And then we work to San Francisco, somewhere else, and then we end up in El Paso, Texas. We're there for 17-hour layover. So I don't know what's going on in El Paso, Texas today. You know, everything's bigger in Texas. You know, I'm a hungry guy. You know, you gotta get some food for the game. So you know your boy had to cop. He had to cop the Jamba Juice acai bowl right here. Oh, mango medley bowl. Kids, don't play yourself. You can't be eating Dunkaroos all day and expect to have a 12-pack, you know? All right, we're gonna start boarding. I'll see you guys in 2 seconds. Woo, guys, all right, so we just got to San Francisco. I know it's surprising because, you know, it's always foggy in San Francisco. And I ran into my boy.
Hey, how you doing,
yourself.
guys? This is me, Hector.
Hector.
Hey, this is not our fault. All flights are delayed. It's the weather. It's not me. It's not the company. It's the weather. So blame the weather. All right, guys. Peace.
Yeah. My boy Hector saw a video that I did yesterday.
Yeah.
That's my guy.
Go ahead, check it out, guys.
If you guys want to see the video that I did with yesterday, actually I'll play a clip right now.
Our friend from Molives TV is one of the only flight attendants in the world to be able to vlog this process. His concept is simple. Every once in a while, he shows up at the airport, live streams off Instagram, and lets the audience vote to wherever we want him to go. He calls this series Mystery Flights, and we've had some fun sending him around the country. So since we had already planned to visit Waco, Texas that Friday to film another video with our friends to do stuff like this, hadn't booked any of our flights yet, we decided to give this experiment a shot and brought Molives along with us. There would be 7 of us traveling on standby, potentially losing our seat at any moment, so the challenge was not only to get all of us to Texas by Friday, but also to make it home to LA by Sunday.
Molives, that was really good quality. Yeah, it's because it was their video that they did with me. Alright guys, for real though, we got 2 more flights. We're going to Vegas and then we're going to El Paso, Texas. Home of that. I'll show you when I get there.
Oh my God! I'd be replaced in Vegas.
What is this on your bed? Wow. That's how you're keeping it together, huh? Welcome aboard the Hot Mess Express. Welcome.
She could have been replaced in Vegas. Come on.
That's a fact.
That's her purse too.
So obviously I was A, so I have to sign everybody in. And I don't know, do you guys have a pen? Do you have a pen? No? I mean, I could just use this. Whoa. Do you see it? No? You don't? It's a lightsaber?
No.
No? Okay. So we're getting like a group workout thing, and then maybe Pilates, and then like water aerobics, and then happy hour. And then movie, popcorn, ghost stories, and I think that we'll call it a layover. What do you think, ladies?
Sounds wonderful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, baby, let's go. Molives. He's got 2 beds. You guys already know. 2 beds equals, huh? Come on. Double pillows, you are right. So here we go. Yeah. See, that's what I'm talking about. Double pillows. And then the grand finale. I mean, wow, my goodness. And the moment we're all waiting for. Dun, 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 dun. Shout out, BB. Yahoo! But we are going to start off hitting the gym because it's what we got to do, you know? You can't be eating Dunkaroos all day and expect to have a 12-pack. And then we got happy hour from 4:30 to 6:30, where you get 2 free beverages, grab some grub, and, you know, a little crew debriefing because we worked hard today. We worked wicked hard. I was in the A position, so I did all the announcements. And I'm not really in the A position that much. I honestly am not the biggest fan of it. I just, I don't really like to talk on the intercom, even though you guys probably think I do. Like, oh, Molives, I wish I could be on your flight, bro. Honestly, like, I just chill. I really just do what I'm supposed to do. Show up, smile, wave, pass out drinks, and I'm Audi 5000. You know what I'm saying? Hardest thing about today was just waking up. You know what I'm saying? Let's go over to the money window. All right, so this morning I had the acai bowl, of course. Cost this much. And then your boy actually got a free muffin from one of the girls that was non-revving on us from Vegas to San Francisco. She gave us some muffins. But we're still yoked, baby. All right, maybe not. That's why we gotta hit the gym. And for my day ones, I'm actually gonna hit the gym. I'm bringing my camera. It's all charged up. Here we go. Let's hit the gym, baby. Molives, what a lovely workout. Hit the gym does not mean actually lifting weights. It means fucking hitting the... What is this? The lid is locked, eh? Alright. My stuff is washing right here. Everyone always asks me, Molives, why do you run? Bro, you get there faster, you know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, why are you running? You get there faster, and then you have more time to do whatever you want to do wherever you're gonna go. Molives, don't do it. Okay, don't. Oh baby, let's freaking go. Which one of you had some of my food here? Guilty birdie. As charged. A little birdie came. Wow, look at her. You look guilty.
A little birdie came in.
Wow, you look guilty. Because this looks like an amazing spot where there would be one more piece of chicken or beef.
I said, you know what? I think I'm going to sneak one.
Wow.
Dropped it, honestly.
Wow. Wow, by my own crew, huh?
2 hours later.
Not only did Kim take my food, but I also learned during this lovely dinner that Tasha, just bad things follow Tasha. So stay tuned for the next vlog because you never know what's gonna follow Tasha. I really hope that's not true. Cool peeps though, cool peeps. Tomorrow's gonna be interesting. I don't know what's gonna happen. We got 5 legs, but your boy's gotta go, switch his clothes over because as you guys know, or as some of you might not know, your boy literally doesn't live anywhere. So I stay in these hotels and then when I'm not working, I'll go to LA, go back to Rhodey. I just got back from England. Like, I'm just floating around until the boys are gonna get another house in LA at some point, maybe in like November. So until then, all right, where is it going? Lid is locked. Why is this lid locked? Boom. What shit is this? Wow, someone moved my clothes. They put them in the dryer, but like, bro, if you're gonna switch my clothes, turn it on, bro. When I went to pick up my laundry, it was already folded just like that. Like they literally like took my clothes out, folded them, placed them on the dryer. And I'm like kind of torn. Is that creepy as hell? Or is that like, wow, that's amazing. Thank you so much. Cause I'm like kind of on the fence. Like don't touch, but like, thank you. Oh man, what a day. Guys, that is it. I'm going to bed. It is pretty late right here in El Paso, but stay tuned for tomorrow or whatever the next video is because you know my girl Tasha for reals is just bad luck and I honestly want to figure out if it's a true thing or not. I hope it's not, but stay tuned for the next episode. Also guys, I'm about to hit 10K on IG. Not just me, we're about to hit 10K on IG. Pretty stoked about it. I'm doing another giveaway. Obviously, it's 10K. You know, I got to hook you guys up. The first 50 comments on every single like next Instagram post until I hit 10K gets you entered into the next contest. So make sure you have my post notifications on Instagram if you want to win a giveaway. If you guys like giveaways, I mean, I think you do. You might. I don't know. Maybe. Anyways, I'm going to go to bed. If you guys aren't part of the family, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Smash a like te gusta on this video. And you guys know what to do. This is Molives TV. Smash that like button and let's go to bed, baby.